Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we saw how to store the data. In this class, we have continued the rest of the things. So now here we have do the things here. It's an index page. You have to write it over here. I'm getting the code from my CRED application. Here we have response. This one should be the brands. The brands table. The brand. This brand. Or we have to get all the data from the brand table and pass into the which page brand page index action method brand here brand inside the brand folder index action page. Okay, that's how we have passed the request. Okay, index page. Okay, we have to pass the request. That's the thing, we have to do it, right? Okay. Now what you are going to do is, now let's get that all the requests from the index page. I'm going to pass into behavior index page, which table, this table. So that's this index page, brand index page, this table. You have to pass it. Only the format I have given, the table format. Now here what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to list all the things here available, how to pass into the table. Here is the table heading. Here heading and all the things are there. So just copy this heading. This is a T body. Let's do it over here. Here first only the thing is, you're right. This one should be the brand name action. Other fields are we no need to care about that other fields. We only the brand name and this. Okay, after that we have a thread here, body t body closed. That's the thing, you have tried it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, here you have to put the for each loop to achieve this. So for each loop, you have to write the for each loop to achieve this concept. Okay, so you have to write the for each loop, open and close the for each loop. So here we need a edit and delete button. Okay, don't worry, this have explain, I explain. Okay, now here you can see here for each loop we have one field which is a brand. So the brand name, what is the brand name? We have put it here model, the same model name we have tried. So model name is a name only. Okay, it's a name. Here also give us a name. Okay. We are coming the data from the controller. You have tried this one brands. Okay, this brands you are coming to index page brands as a key. You are getting them as brand. Here you are coming as a plural, you are getting one by one as singular. So brand name, brand edit, here brand edit id, here brand destroy, here id. That's the thing, is simple, you have to get them. Okay, this is how we have to get the fields. Okay, this simple stuff, we have to get the fields. Right. Now what I'm going to see is a brand name, brand edit. This one should be the delete, brand delete. These are the columns. That is simple stuff, you have to do it. Okay, when you click edit button, it goes a brand edit page. If you delete, I want to delete that particular records of brand. Okay, now let's file, save all, and we already we explain your project is running or not. You're running the application first. You're right, what is the thing? Web all brands. So you go over here, all brand. It take you to the error of brand edit not defined. Okay, that's no problem. So the brand edit we haven't put it. That's a problem. So here we have to get it the branded. So okay, we have the edit page of brand. This is brand. Sorry, brand here. So this is a brand edit. This is the things we have to. They are telling that to remove. Yeah, I just remove them. This one route part here. I remove them. Later on, I have to put it here. Okay. So let's refresh them. Route not defined. They are telling that. So we not need them. This one we have to remove them at the moment. That we'll check it the things. Okay. Now let's check it whether it's working fine or not. Okay, it's working here. It's LG scan. Okay, it's working now fine. Now we have to add another brand which is a Sony. Click register button. Here it has been registered. So what is another brand we have to work with Samsung. Here it's adding. It's working fine. Now you have an idea. It's working well, right? So it's working fine without any barrier, right? So now what we are going to do is now let's all the things that we have done. Okay. Now let's go to the edit page. Now let's go to the edit page. So what I did here is you can have a here is column. This is the number. Once the record is we उसके 1 2 3 it will be set it as a auto increment here. Plus key mean it will be automatically incremented. The values are automatically incremented. You write here. Okay, you have to automatically increment the values, right? So it will automatically increment the values. So yeah, we have to do it. Sorry. Okay, so it value will be automatically increment. Here write key plus is a key brand as keys. A brand, this brand name. We have this all the collection we have. You can see as you can see here. This one all we have to go to the model, get all the model data. We have loaded and passing to here this brand. This brand it goes to the response. This response goes here. The same name brands it will be getting the data one by one here. Brands, brand name. It has all the brands data. It is getting by one. It is getting brand name, all the brand relevant information is are gathering, getting. Okay, that's the thing you have to do it. Perfect. Right. Now what I'm going to say is another one, you have to go to the edit part. Okay, edit, brand edit. You have to edit page, we have did the edit page, brand edit is edit page, we have to make it. Now let's do the steps for edit. So here is edit. Here's edit. We have to write the edit page. Brand edit. So brand delete. Brand edit. Here is a brand edit. Okay. So brand edit. So click the brand ID. You have to edit the brand details along with the brand ID. So we have to go to the brand page. Here is form. We have to go to here. We have to get it over here. So we have need the CRF token and all. The CRF token patch. This is a patch method too. We have to edit or delete the record using the patch method. After that, we have to write it the route. We have to write here this we have a function which is update. So we have to write this route we have called as brand update along with the brand ID. We have to update the brand ID. It's a brand. We have a name. Okay, so it's not a brand name. This is a name we have to add it into the database table. Okay, so once you make the changes, it goes to click submit button. again here register by update button, not a register, update button. It goes to the routes brand update along with the ID to update the record. So the same thing, I just go to my routes. I want to specify them to do the thing. So where's the routes update. So here update brand. So here at the name, you have tried to specify the update dot brand dot update. Okay, please go to the brand update part. So here brand update part along with this ID, here's ID. It goes to that page, particular page, which is a brand. So it goes to brand page, brand controller. We haven't write that particular page, which is a brand update. So we have to do the update part. We haven't put it page, so you have to update method. You have to getting all the credit operation of this page. Here is the update page. Here is the update page. You have to get them. Update page. You are getting the data and ID. It will be go to the brand. Find the ID first. Whether the ID is when the record is coming, editable record is coming, along with the ID. First, you check the IDs exist or not. Okay, when you're going to update the record, first you have to check that particular ID matching values. ID matching values exist in the database or not. First we have to check the value coming from the front end. We will be checking whether the ID matching values exist or not in the database table. If it is exist, what you are going to brands, you have to write a brand. It's a brand update. You have the array. You have this one's a brand. It will be updating the record and update it and read back to our brand page. Okay, that's the thing you will do it. Now let's file save all and bring back to the page and check it. Brand edit not defined. What is the things brand edit? This is the problem. How to solve them? Simply, I haven't created the routes for edit. So we have to create the routes for edit. So you have to create the routes. That is when you click edit button, I want editable record will be passing to the editable form. Okay, when you click all the records, so you can see here all the brands. When you click edit button, it goes to the edit page. So the editable record will be passing to the form. So we have to declare the routes over here. When you click edit button, so here the index page is the index page of the brand. So here we have the index page of the brand. Click on it. Click on the edit button. It goes to the routes, which is a edit controller, brand controller, edit action method. It goes to brand controller, edit action method. So along with the ID. So you have to you have to create the routes for the name, this name. So I have created over here. Here you can see here brand edit. If it is come the request brand read, it goes to the edit method. This is the URL passing to the ID. So brand controller, it goes to over here brand controller. So we have the edit button, edit method. We have to give the edit button over here method. Edit button. Find the particular record and it will be passing the record will be passing to the brand. Okay, editable page. Okay, so that's the thing you have to do it. Okay, the written editable page. So what I'm going to do is here, write edit written index page. Sorry, in the edit page. Okay, here we have to write this one brand.index page. Okay, right. Okay, so after that, what you are going to see here also, we have a property called edit plate. We have to editable record will be passing to the value. It is passing as a value. So this attribute you are passing here. Okay, this attribute which is a value. Okay, when you click edit button, so here the flow like this. Now you can see old brand. Click edit button. Editable record will be passing to over here. passing here. What happen is you can see the flow. When you click index page, this is your index page. Okay, so when you click edit button, it goes to the brand edit route. So here the web page is coming here. It goes to brand controller index edit action method. This close the brand controller edit action button. It get the ID and find the appropriate record. What the ID is coming here? Find the appropriate ID, and here it will be loading. It will be passing to the record into a brand edit page. So here brand edit page here. Here it take the record. Okay, here this value it will be passing, but the record you are going to edit. So after that, if you get the record and make the changes and click update button, it goes to the brand controller update action method. It goes to the brand controller. Brand controller, here we have the brand controller. The brand controller, here this one. Update, brand controller update action method. Right? So it goes over here. So it goes over here and it will be update the record. Okay, it will be first you have to check whether ID is if the ID is exist or not. The database, what's the record is coming here. The IDs exist. After that, what you're going to see, you have to make the calling the update method. You're passing the array. Here, getting this one should be the our record is coming this here. The request is coming this array. This one should be the coming from the brand table. This brand table. The when the ID is coming in here, the appropriate record will be loading and passing to this variable. So this variable record you have passing here. This is the request or the record your updated data will be coming here. Instead of that, it will be updated this one, a new one. It will be updated and returned to the index page. Now let's file save all. We have already save all. Bring back to the application. Now let's say save all. LG update. Why it's now updating. It's working. Here you can see all brands. Here it is working. It's no problem. Now that it is not passing to here. Why was the problem? This goes to our notation. Why it's not passing? You have to give this one as a return brand. You have to return brand. You have to give the return brand. Return brand. Return brand. I'll give you return brand. Return brand. Why it's not passing? That's why. Brand. Otherwise, you can give this one return back. It is written backing. Control S save on. Now again you have to check it back. Can't edit this one. Sony yes update. It's not written back. It's updating, but it's not written back. You have to return back like this here. We load it. It is updating, but it not return back to the request pages. Again check it. Okay. Now Samsung updated. Okay, it's back, but back to here. Sorry. It's back to this route. Which route? All brand routes. So we have given this one as a all back routes. Okay, that's a problem. That's the problem we're having. Okay. Now I got it. What's the problem? Redirect to this one. Okay. Redirect to this brand, all brand page. So okay, where's the our brand? Edit this one. You have to go all brands. The URL, we have to specify the URL correct. Now here it's working. Edit Sony update. Here it's working. Working fine. Okay, first you have to keep in your mind when you are going something else. You have to keep in your mind what you are trying to do. That's some essential thing. So do the program. After that, we have to make the delete button. Delete button also, but if you have click delete button, we have to delete the record. So we have to make the delete function as well. So we have to go to the route. There's a route, this one route. Here there's a called destroy method. So here also implemented over here. They are also the delete, brand delete. So the brand delete, we have to put it over here. Brand delete. You have to pass it over here. Okay. So you have to pass it over here. Here. You can pass it like this. Control save. Reloaded. Destroy. This method we have to define where go to here. We have defined it here. The routes, web routes, destroy. It goes to the function which is a destroy function. It goes to brand controller destroy action method. Destroy action method. I am going to do the brand controller destroy action method. Got to do the Laravel. Whereas this is a destroy action method. You will get them first over here. Get the ID. Find the ID from the brand table. Find the ID and delete the record. Return to all brands page. That's it. Okay. The brand mean which is found. We have model. We have this a model path. We have to assign to this class level data. This is a variable. We have to assign. This is the brand. It's a class level data. Okay. This brand path. We have this mean this class. Okay. Now let's file save all. Bring back to the application and check it all. What is error? Brand destroyed, not defined. We have this we have to define here. So here the brand controller can destroy action method. Okay. So what's the problem? Brand destroy. It's correct. No. Brand destroy. What's the problem? Check it all brand. Destroy method is not defined. No, I had some caching problem. That's why again I am refresh it. It will be coming okay. So here you coming. You go over here. Here when you click delete button, it goes to the brand controller. So brand destroy. This is the route name I gave. So it goes to along with the ID. So with this brand name, go to this function in the route, get the name, destroy. It goes to that get the ID and it goes to that page brand controller destroy action method. So brand controller destroy action method. Put the ID, find the respective record and delete them. After that, it will be returned back to the old brands. That's the thing you have to do it. Let's back to over here, refresh it, delete them. Here it's deleted. Okay, deleted. If you delete this one, it will be deleted. All the brand part we are successfully finished. I'll be getting this with my next video tutorial. Thank you.